Cleopatra's Needle, A Journey Through Time. Did you know that one of London's iconic landmarks traveled over 3,000 miles from Egypt? This is Cleopatra's Needle, an ancient Egyptian obelisk, originally erected over 3,500 years ago during the reign of Pharaoh Thutmose III. In the 19th century, the British government decided to bring this monumental artifact to London. The journey was perilous, involving a specially designed ship, the Cleopatra, which faced storms and nearly sank multiple times. After a harrowing journey, Cleopatra's Needle finally arrived in London in 1878. It was installed on the Victoria Embankment, where it still stands today, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of ancient Egypt. Next time you see this iconic monument, remember its incredible journey and the ancient civilization it represents. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing historical stories.